Merry Christmas! So as you can tell by the title, today I am going to be sharing with y'all what I got for Christmas. And little disclaimer that goes before legit like every single one of these videos. I'm not trying to brag. I love these types of videos. These are like some of my favorite videos to watch during this time. I just think it's fun and I thought y'all would enjoy seeing it. So please don't be mean to me. I am very grateful for everything I got, and I love everyone who got this stuff for me. It was a great Christmas. So if you haven't seen my Vlogmas day 24 and 25, which was like Christmas Eve and Christmas morning, I will have that link below because it will be up before this video. I'm probably not gonna get this video up until like maybe a few days out because I am going on vacation, so I need some content to post while I am on vacation. So this is gonna be one of those videos, so it will be a little late, but I think it'll be fine. You'll still enjoy seeing it. So I got stuff from my mom and dad and grandmother and then my sisters and then also my boyfriend and his family. So I'm gonna share all of that with y'all. So if you wanna see what I got, then keep watching. So I'm just gonna kind of share my presents with y'all randomly. Like I'll do some that were from my mom and stuff. Then I'll kind of do separate like what Seal got me. And so yeah, let's go ahead. So the first thing I'm gonna show y'all is I got this mini waffle maker, which I am so pumped about. I'm definitely a waffle girl over a pancake girl. I just like how waffles are kind of crispy as opposed to pancakes. So my mom got one of these and it's mini because you know I don't have much space in my apartment in New York. I'm gonna be making me some chocolate chip waffles with it. The next thing I got is a pair of shoes and they are these black booties. These are Clark booties. So if you know what Wallabies are, it's by the same brand. I wear my heeled black booties legit all the time. If you watch any of my vlogs, you know that. I love them, but every now and then I don't want to wear heels. You know, it just kind of gets annoying if I'm wanting to be more casual. They're like suede. So I can't wait to get back to New York and whip these bad boys out, and I'm going to be wearing them all the time. Another little thing I got is this thing called the Clapper, and this is an electrical outlet that plugs into an outlet, and then you plug like a lamp in it or something like that, and you can clap your lights on and off. If you watch my vlogs, you know I have a lamp on the other side of my bed, the way my bedroom's set up, and so I have to crawl across to get to it, and sometimes that can be annoying, so I'm gonna use this for that, so I can just clap and it'll come on. Isn't that such a good idea? I know. I was like, another little funny thing, my mom gets us like stocking stuffer kind of items, so it's like some little things. She got me these bamboo chopsticks. I am like kind of obsessed with using chopsticks. Ever since I learned how to use them, I'm like, I want some chopsticks. So my mom got me some nice ones I can keep in my apartment in New York so I don't have to like use the disposable ones. So I think this is gonna be so fun. I can't wait to order Chinese food when I get back. I also got a little pair of earrings. They're kind of hard to see. They're like these little They're like these little gold hoops. They're really, really cute. Just kind of casual because I know a lot of people wear like really big gold hoops, but sometimes I just don't really like that. So I think these would be really, really cute. Just casual. I can wear with like pretty much anything, like never take them out. So yeah, another item that I think is so cool, I just happened to run across on Instagram and told my mom about it, and so she got me one. It is called the Tansy, and it is the original self-tan bed sheet protector. It's almost like this. Just go. Just sitting over here, y'all, she just sneezed. So the next thing I got is actually really cool. I happened to run across it on Instagram and I told my mom about it and she ended up getting it for me. It is this thing called Tansy, and it is the original self-tan bed sheet protector. It's pretty much like a silk sleeping bag that you put in your bed and then you get in it, and so you don't get your sheets dirty. And I just thought that was a brilliant idea. Like if you watch my vlogs, you know that I self-tan all the time, and I have to like either sleep on my couch or put blankets down on my bed or towels so I don't get it on my white sheets. But this is, I think, is going to come in handy. It also has a cover for your pillowcase, so like your whole bed pretty much covered. I think this is a great idea. I got black. They come in like pink and black, but I got black because I don't want the tan to show up at all. But I think it's really cool. I'm probably going to actually use this tonight because I'm going to tan before I go on vacation. So the next thing I got is just this little pack of scrunchies. This is another one of those like stocking stuffer items that I got. This one's really pretty. This is like a berry color, and then it has gold stitching on it and flowers. It's really, really pretty. If you know me, you know I can't go at Christmas without getting some makeup, so of course I did. I have never really tried Kylie cosmetic products before just because you have to order them really, and I'm not a big like makeup orderer. I like to try it out in store and then buy it. I don't really trust online ordering, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it. So the first thing I got is this Kylie little lip gloss kit, and it is beautiful. There's 3 metallic glosses in here, and then there's also a like just plain opaque lip gloss. I've really been into lip glosses and just like that wet look. I think it's so nice. I cannot wait to try these. that wet look, that hair stuck in your lips kind of look. That's what I like. So I think these would be perfect for it. Shut up, Raina. And I also got some more makeup. I got some lip kits. Lip products is definitely my favorite things to buy, hands down. So the first lip kit I got is this one called Candy K, which is like a favorite. Everyone uses it. And I also got the lip kit in Angel that's actually really pretty. This one's definitely more of like a nudie mauve. I love mauves. This is more of a nudie mauve, and this is more of a pinky mauve. So they look very similar, but I promise they're not. I also got a lipstick just because I wanted to try out the formula, and I got it in the color Madeline, and it's like a reddy mauve. So I got just a bunch of different kind of mauves, you know. I'm just that mauve kind of girl. So I got a red mauve, a pink mauve, and a nude mauve. And last product I got from Kylie is this, hard to explain, it's kind of like a cream eyeshadow slash highlighter kind of thing, but it's this really pretty gold color. I love inner corner highlight, so I think this would be perfect for it. And also right here on my Cupid's bow, I love highlighting that, and then also the tip of my nose, so I think this will be perfect for that. The next thing I got is this beautiful, beautiful ring. It is just amazing. We got it's handmade from a little marketplace in New York that we just happened to come across. It was this artist, and she like made really pretty jewelry, and it is beautiful. Hold on, let me see if I can get close. It's seriously like the most beautiful ring, and it's adjustable, so it fits every single one of my fingers, so I can just move it around. I love that. I have some chunky fingers. If you know, you know. And then my dad got all three of us, my sisters and I, the sweetest little gift. It was very thoughtful. He got us this gold-trimmed little jewelry music box, and it is beautiful, and it has our little names on it, and it says, "My daughter, I love you today, tomorrow, always." It is so sweet. I just feel like this is one of those things that you'll keep and then like pass down to your daughter, and then she'll pass it down to her daughter. I just think it is beautiful, and it plays music inside. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear it. Beautiful. And then he also gave us some money in it, so thanks, Dad. Thanks for that. And if you know me, you know I always wear jackets in New York. So I got me a new jacket. This one is so cute. It's another one of those like parka materials, but this one's a lot more sleek. Has these gold buttons details, and then the collar has this fur on it. It's seriously so nice. This is Cole Haan, and it's just beautiful, and I can't wait to get back to New York. It's like right at my thigh. So I have a black parka kind of jacket like this already, but it goes all the way down to like mid-shin. So this one's a little shorter, so a little more casual, but yet still like super nice and sleek. And so I can't wait. It's seriously so warm, and I just love it. I also got a new phone. I got the 8 Plus. I just really needed it for storage. I never take pictures on it, so I didn't care for the new one because if you know me, I legit take all my photos on my camera. So I got a ton of storage on this, and hopefully it'll store all my photos because I got a lot of them. And then my mom got me this pretty red case on the back. I feel like it really embodies me. I'm definitely red, gold, and animal print. Next thing I got are these adorable Adidas leggings. They are seriously so cute. They have these 3 stripes down the side. That's 3, right? Yeah, that's 3. And then a little Adidas symbol on the front. I can't wait to wear these. I think it's going to be so cute to like work out in and just like lounge around in. I love leggings. So I was really excited about these. Then I got this super cute cardigan. It's so soft, and I just really love the colors. These warm tones are like me, like 100%. It's just this cardigan. My mom got it from Red Dress Boutique. I seriously get a lot of stuff from there. I love that boutique, but it's just really nice and warm, and I love the color, so I can't wait to wear it. And the big gift that my parents got me for Christmas is this Nespresso machine. If you know me, you know that I love coffee. And I was kind of getting sick of my Keurig because if you're like a real coffee drinker, you know that Keurigs don't really make like 100% real coffee. It's actually very watered down. So this like right here makes lattes and espressos and really nice cups of coffee, like strong, good cups of coffee. So I'm really excited. It also comes with a milk frother, and so I can froth my milk and just be all fancy making my little coffee in New York. So hopefully this will save me a lot of money, and I won't have to buy as much coffee out. My mom also got me like 100 pods for it, so I should be set for a long time. Thanks, Mom. Now I'm gonna show y'all some stuff that Steele and his family got me. First thing he got me was this adorable bottle. I've actually been wanting it for a long time. I drink so much water in New York, so I just thought this would really come in handy, and I could like keep it in my purse and stuff. I also have started putting coffee in cups like this and taking them with me to class just because they really keep them warm and you don't have to worry about them spilling. This one's beautiful. This is the Corksicle Rifle Paper Co. like collab that they made, and I just love it. I think it's gorgeous. Still also got me a red beret because I've been wanting a red beret. Look how cute it is. It actually like really goes with my outfit right now. I just think they're so cute, and I freaking need to go to Paris right now because I just look like a Parisian, you know? So I just think it's really cute. I know it's not everyone's style, but you can pretty much get away with anything in New York, so. And then Steele's family also got me this awesome little bath bomb set from the brand Life Around Two Angels. And when you open this sucker up, it is so strong smelling. Like, look how many bath bombs are in there. That's a lot of bath bombs. And they smell seriously so good, like heaven. Like, I want my entire apartment to smell like this. This is amazing. I'm going to be taking a lot of bubble baths, so if you watch my vlogs, get ready. Steele also got me this snake print belt. And y'all know I already have a cheetah print belt. Well, I now have a snake print belt too, and I actually wore it today, and it was freaking cute. And this is going to go so good with my snake print booties that I have. I just love animal print, and this one's beautiful. Like, the buckle on it is like seriously beautiful. It's like 2 gold little circles. Beautiful. And Steele also got me these Lululemon leggings right here. I love Lululemon leggings, y'all know. These are a different style than the black leggings that I already had. These are a little like thicker, warmer, more insulated, you know, because I need that insulation in New York. And that's pretty much everything I got. I got some more clothes and little things like some candles and phone chargers and some more jewelry, but for the most part, that was everything. So for anyone who got me Christmas presents, thank you so much. I'm so grateful. It was a great Christmas, and I hope all of y'all out there had an amazing Christmas as well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Also, don't forget that Jesus is the reason for the season, and he is why we get to have all these blessings. So have a blessed day.